What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiara Chanel, but I go by Keeks on the beat, or Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys another quick and cute hairstyle that you can try. This hair is from Wiggins hair. It is a 13x6 HD frontal loose deep wave, 24 inches, and this is one of my faves. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite units as of recently. But we're just gonna get into the video. Start off with the unit already glued down. I'm just gonna spray my hairline to get the little melt going, and then I'm just gonna apply the band right after I spray my hairline. I'm using the even extreme hold, and y'all, that spray is so freaking sticky. It really does the job. It actually performs better than some of the adhesives I've been trying as of recently, so I would recommend definitely buying that. Yeah, so today's style is just something I've seen on TikTok. I've seen it trending on Pinterest, and I kind of wanted to try it. It's just a little, I wouldn't say it's a half up, half down, but technically it is, because I'm going to be leaving some of my hair down, but I'm going to have two little ponytails. So right here, I'm just going through and I'm pressing out each section, which is very important if you want a super flat install and you want it to look like it's your scalp. So I definitely recommend you do not skip this step. As y'all can see, it's slowly started melting in. It was tall in the beginning, but look at her now. And look at their hairline, like what? Yeah, it's giving. So I'm parting off the little hair that I said I was going to be putting up into a ponytail. It's really nothing for real, y'all. Like, we are already halfway through the video at this point. But, I just want to section it off, make sure everything is flat. That's what I will say. The focus for this install was flat, but also natural in neatness. So definitely be sure to go in with that hot comb. Like I told y'all, that is a very important step for this style, or any style that you're trying to attempt on a lace frontal. So after I put the little ponytails in, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on my baby hairs. For the baby hairs, I wanted them to be very natural, so I am going to pick out small pieces of it. It's not going to be super thick baby hairs. And then after that, I'm going to curl it, and I'm just going to start swooping them away. But I did not use product. I tried to stay away from product for this particular style because I did want it to look natural. So messy baby hairs was the goal. I actually did end up using some of that even spray, but not too much of it. And you guys will see later on, like after the fact, I did end up brushing the baby hairs out, which kind of contributed to the more natural and fluffy effect. So So after I complete the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and attach the band again, and I'm going to wet the hair and just define the curls a little bit. Again, this texture is a loose deep wave. It's a really unique texture, and I really love it. I received so many compliments on this hair. It was very soft, and I just really love how the hair laid. Like, it was everything. But of course, with any unit, it has like some downsides to it. And the downsides for me would be the shedding. Like, this hair shedded so much, y'all. Like, I kind of was irritated a little bit. Like, it shed too much for my liking. I'm a pretty low maintenance girl though. Like, I don't really wrap my hair up at night and stuff like that. So of course shedding was to be expected, but not the way that it was shedding for real, y'all. Like, it was just shedding. So I would be mindful of the upkeep of this hair. This will require a little bit of maintenance. After that, I'm just gonna go in and I'm add these little crochet. I kind of made these. It was just little extra pieces of fabric from the jumpsuit that I'm actually wearing in this video. And I decided to make some cute little bows because I felt like it was something missing. And when I say this completed the entire look, like, it was everything. It gave it that extra little added oomph. And I was obsessed with this look. Like, it was so cute. It reminded me of high school Keeks. And it was just everything. So that's pretty much everything, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Again, shout out to Wiggins Hair for providing this unit. This is a 13x6 HD frontal, loose deep wave, 24 inches. And it's everything that I could ask for and more. And I'm still wearing this unit to this day. And aside from shedding, I really don't have any more complaints. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.